Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can add and delete contacts on your iPhone 15 Pro. To add contacts, you can go to your contacts here and then click on the plus here. You can type in the name here, the last name, company, a phone number, and an email, pronouns, and whatever else. Then we can say done, and then our contact pops up here. And if we want to delete that contact now, we click on edit and then scroll all the way down to delete contact. Another way to delete contacts is when you go to your settings and then go to your iCloud, click on iCloud, show everything, and then go to contacts. If you turn that off here, then this pops up. What would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud contacts on your iPhone? Keep them on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. So with that, you can simply and really easy delete all of your contacts of your iPhone. Then you can go back and either you still have contacts on your phone or you deleted them all. So that's how you can add and delete contacts on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.